Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. Here in this time I'd like to share you the smooth transition and real edit that you can actually create it outside the transition effect that has been provided by the CapCut, because here I'm using the CapCut video editing. So as you can see here, I have prepared two photos into the two clip in this project. And as you can see here, this transition effect I have attached between the clip 1 and clip 2. And to add more smooth effect to the transition, you can actually add the animation through the keyframe here. And let me show you how. Then I will click the first clip and put the cursor, let's say, to the first second of the first clip and at the keyframe. Then we will slide to the right and put the cursor on the put the keyframe on the last second of this clip. And after that I will extend or expand this picture into the object that I will show, or I will zoom in. Then I will going to the graph and I will choose rebound. Let's say you can also adjust the rebound that will show you the effect if you change this graph. This is the look if you are not rendering yet. It's like the graph is go down for a second and then it will zoom in, I'm sorry, and we can just apply it. And I will apply it too. And as you can see, I have put the transition between the clip 1 and clip 2 here, and I have also put the keyframe for this clip 2 or the second clip, and I have put the keyframe from the first second and the last second of this picture or clip. And after that I have also zoomed in the picture that I would like, the picture of the object I would like to show, and this is the result. And of course if you have already do the zoom in effect, don't forget to choose the graph also. Then here I choose the rebound too, and let's see the result. That's all guys. I hope this video tutorial helped you, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't be hesitate to put it on your comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there and let's get interact there. And if you would like to know more about the video tutorial we have, please don't forget to subscribe this channel to make this channel more developed in the future. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.